And do you see all the confetti inside of it? Whoa, isn't that cool?
Hey everyone, today we're using the Baketivity baking set to cook oh so colorful muffins.
Really? We're making confetti muffins, assistant?
Yes. Let's open up the Baketivity baking set.
Okay, and so we're going to learn something about color while making these yummy muffins, right?
Right, here is the oh so colorful muffins recipe. It takes 1 hour to bake, and there's 14 steps, and it makes 8 muffins.
8 muffins, so that's 6 for me, 1 for Wiggles, and 1 for you. Right, so you're there.
6 for you.
And so it's color and fun.
And inside the Baketivity baking set, it comes with vanilla sugar.
Ooh, vanilla sugar.
Yep.
That sounds sweet.
It also comes with baking powder.
Baking powder, also known as sodium bicarbonate.
Sugar.
Sugar. Da, 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 da.
Ooh, these are the vacuum packed items. I love vacuum packed stuff.
What kind is it?
It's sugar, like powdered sugar.
Powdered. So that actually might be for the confetti topping, right?
Oh yeah. And this is the flour.
Flour. Made from real flowers.
And then the sprinkles.
So this is the confetti for your confetti muffins that you're making. Ooh, that looks yummy.
There's also some crayons in here.
Crayons, and that's because you're going to learn about colors. And here's the activity kit, right?
Right.
So wait, what's that right there?
Salt.
Salt and a little spatula, right? With a gingerbread
Right,
man.
with a gingerbread on it.
So this is the science experiment to learn about colors. And actually we do a lot of that with some of the stuff we do in the video that you don't see. So you have primary colors like yellow and red and blue. And this is called the color wheel. And we use the color wheel in order to make thumbnails because we like to have colors that are opposite of each other.
Thumbnails are the thing that you see when you click on the video.
That's right. So we'll try to have blue next to orange and yellow next to purple. They call it violet here. Red next to green, and that helps make thumbnails pop, right?
Right.
So that's just some of the science behind color. So okay, so we're going to start making our confetti muffins, right?
Right. Woo!
Okay, so let's go through that first step. What's the first step that we have?
The first step is to wash your hands and preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
And we've already done that one, right?
Right, we've already done the first step. Now we need to put the paper inside the muffin mold.
Oh, so you got your little muffins. You know, I had a friend one time, he used to make muffins and deliver them to some people in college. You know what they called him?
What, Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man.
Did he make a lot of them?
He did. So he said, Chad the Muffin Man. Here he comes with his spray on tan.
What?
I made the last part of it up. We call him Chad the Muffin Man. All right. So there is this, that. So you got 8. So you put 12 down. So you'll probably have 4 extra, right?
Right.
Okay. So what's the next step?
The next step is to beat the egg in a large bowl. Beat it well.
Okay, so you've got an egg there, and here's the large bowl. So let's make some space, and you're gonna, right?
Right. Okay.
So you hand me some stuff, and I'll put it out of your way. So including the sprinkles. And assistant, we didn't show people, but it actually came with these Baketivity crayons.
Oh yeah, that is so cool how it came with that.
And that's because there is a coloring thing right here, so you can design your own muffin. Okay,
right.
so now you're making your, you're putting the egg in. Good job. Nice delivery of the egg and yolk into the bowl.
Now we have to beat it really well.
All right.
So it's probably when it's all like yellow and creamy looking.
Oh, is it getting there?
Already, yeah.
Wow, look at that.
So it says beat really well, so I'll probably do it for like another 30 seconds.
You mean 30 minutes?
30 seconds. That would take
30 hours.
All right, it's done.
All right, so we need to do the next step, right? So you got them all well mixed. So the next step is you need a cup, 1/3 cup of oil and 1/2 cup of milk. And you beat the whole mixture together.
Right, so here's our oil.
So you gotta put the oil in, so it's a 1/3 cup of oil, good.
And then we'll put the water in.
And then you add the water or milk. So let's see, you can either use water or milk. What are you gonna use?
Milk.
So you're going to add the milk, right? So you're going to add a half cup of milk. And you're going to mix it, mix it, mix it. It says beat the mixture again. Ooh. Does it look yummy yet?
Not yet, because it still looks like mainly eggs.
And now it looks like oily eggs, right?
Yeah, very oily.
All right, so the next step is you got to pour in sugar and the vanilla sugar.
So sugar and the vanilla sugar. So they provided that in the recipe.
They sure did. So here's the sugar, right?
I'll keep mixing that once you get that open.
Okay, so you're going to keep mixing it. And I am going to open the sugar, and you can pour that in, and then the vanilla sugar. And then we need a separate bowl for the next step. So this step will be done in 1 minute.
Ooh, I bet this is going to look so good once we're done.
So there's the sugar. And then this is vanilla sugar, you know, because it says vanilla sugar right there. All right, keep mixing it.
Now it's getting thick. It's thickening.
And then you're supposed to add the vanilla sugar. Kind of at the same time, so that's good. So keep mixing it, and then we're going to go to the next step, where in a separate bowl, we have to add the flour and the baking soda.
Okay.
And the salt.
I think that's pretty well combined.
I think so
going to
too.
check the bottom to see if there's any at the bottom. Nope, we're good.
Okay, so you hand me that, and I'll hand you the flour. And then you need a separate mixing bowl, which is right here.
Okay, I'll pour that in.
Pour that in. And you probably use a spatula, right? To mix all of this stuff together.
Like the one they provided us.
There you go. And then here's the baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate. And then add the salt.
The salt is right here.
Mm-hmm. Hand me the package for the baking soda. Make sure you get all of it out.
Did I get all of it out?
There might be a little bit left in there.
Okay, here's the package.
All right, so mix that up. And then we're going to combine the two, right?
Right.
Okay, so you got it all mixed in there, right?
Right.
The baking soda, the salt, and the sugar, right?
Right, it's well combined.
And now you've got to combine that with this right here. So you
While whisking.
good job. Okay.
So this is the batter for our muffins.
So this is step number 7 that we've done. It's
Yep.
gone pretty quickly, hasn't it? Smoothly. We've not made a single mistake that the people at home know about. That's okay. So you're going to keep doing that. It says it may take a lot of mixing to get it free of lumps. It's got to be lump free.
Lump free. This is probably what the majority of the time takes up.
Yeah, with all the mixing. It says,
Yeah, not the whisking.
It says you might need to
eggs.
ask an adult for help. Maybe. And then the next step is we're going to add these yummy sprinkles, right?
Sprinkles, and then we're gonna pour it back into the container that's over behind the camera, and we're gonna pour it into the mold.
Yep. And then we have to make our glaze to put on top.
All right, we're gonna get all the lumps out of this and then come back.
How's it coming along, assistant?
It's all done.
Whoa, look at that. It's like, did you make it yellow?
I think that's from the eggs.
Oh, okay. All right, so now you've got to put it into this right here, right?
Right.
Here, I'll hand me the whisk.
Okay, now we're gonna pour it into this bowl right here.
Okay. And you can use your spatula to get it all out. Do you need a third hand?
Yes.
Okay.
This bowl is too big.
So we're going to put it all out, like that.
It's coming.
It's getting out, isn't it? So this is one of our, and now we've got to add those sprinkles to it.
Ooh, the sprinkles, the best part. I think I got it from here.
Okay. Oh, I hear wiggles and waggles. They're super excited for this. They especially like sprinkles. Okay, so now you're going to add the sprinkles, right?
All of the sprinkles.
Good job.
All right. Well, this is going to be very colorful.
Well, look at how that confetti muffins are going to look. Mix it up real well, right?
Yeah, we got to make sure it's like an even amount of sprinkles everywhere.
People at home, have you ever had confetti muffins?
I have not.
Ooh, so this will be a first experience for the assistant.
Yeah, I've never made them before. I think I've had one before.
I think we've had confetti cupcakes, haven't we?
Or confetti cake.
Oh, or confetti cake. We saw Wiggles down in the floor. He's real excited.
Oh, yeah.
But we won't feed him to the dog.
Okay, it's well combined.
All right, now you got to pour it into each one of the little muffins. So we should have enough for 8, right?
Yes. So we're going to pour it halfway.
All right, so that's 1. Into the next one. Good job, good job. Okay, so we actually made 9, right?
10.
Well, you're right, we made 10. So now you're going to put them in the oven. And then we're going to make the glaze that goes on top of them. So it's been preheating at 350 degrees. So in it goes. And now we've got to make the glaze, right?
Right. So we have our powdered sugar right here.
Powdered sugar. So we'll open that up.
I like how it's vacuum packed. I like vacuum packed things because you can see everything inside, like all the textures and stuff. The sprinkles on our first Baketivity set was the cake pops, and those were vacuum packed, and they looked really cool. Wait, actually, I think it was the cookie cake.
Oh, that was a cool one too, wasn't it? Okay, so you add that, and then with your whisk, you got to mix in the water and lemon juice.
Yeah. Okay, so should I use this big spoon?
Sure. All right, so now add in your water and lemon juice.
I'm gonna break up this.
Okay. And this is the glaze that goes on top.
Yes, this is a glaze that goes on top of the muffin. Okay, here I go.
There's your water. Good job.
Whoa, look how cool that looks. It's like collapsing.
It's like melting, isn't it?
I'm melting.
Okay, now you're going to add your lemon juice.
This lemon juice is gonna look so cool. Oh, look, it's melting all of them again.
All right, and now you're going to just keep mixing up, and that'll be your glaze. It's got to be nice and smooth. Ooh, look at that.
Because right now it has like powdered sugar chunks in it.
Yeah, no powdered sugar chunks are allowed.
Yeah, it needs to look like a professional icing.
So the next time you see us, we'll have the muffins out, and we'll be ready to apply the topping on it, right?
Right.
Okay, assistant, so the muffins are out, right?
And they've had some time to cool.
So this is what they look like. Don't they look yummy?
Yes, they do. So now we're going to take them all out and put them on this cake stand.
Okay, so there they are. So look at the muffins right there. Ooh, don't those look yummy?
They do.
And then there is the frosting, the topping we made. And we also got some more sprinkles that we're going to just add to a few of them, right?
Right.
All right, so let's add some frosting to it.
Just a selected few will get the sprinkles. All right, here we go.
Good job.
This one will have some sprinkles.
Okay, why don't we put the frosting on them and then add the sprinkles so we're not going back and forth, back and forth.
Okay.
So you got frosting on it. Does that look yummy, people at home? Ooh.
There we go. Now we'll put it on another one.
So these are our confetti muffins. And remember, again, this is a science experiment too with colors. So the different colors and how you have complementary colors, primary colors, and secondary colors. Assistant, name a primary color.
Blue.
Blue. Name another primary color.
Yellow.
Yep. So what do you get? So assistant, what do you get when you mix your blue and yellow?
Green.
Green, and that is a secondary color, right?
Right. This looks so good.
Yeah, so she's getting all that on. So we're going to do that. Now, why don't you add some
Sprinkles.
sprinkles to one. and then we'll show everybody what they look like when they're done.
Okay.
She's gonna open up the sprinkly sprinks.
Brand new.
And she's not gonna throw them all over the kitchen. We're gonna do it gently. You got a silly bug in you today. All right.
We're gonna do it on this one. The sprinkles are too big to go through the hole.
Oh, okay. Well, just put a few more on. Ooh, super cool. All right, so we're gonna finish them off and we're gonna open one up so you can see what it looks like on the inside, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so we've got a couple of the muffins. Let's show me. Hold up the plate and we'll look at the muffins. And do you see all the confetti inside of it? Whoa, isn't that cool? And we put a little strawberries behind it. What do you think? Do you think they're gonna be good?
I think they look really good.
What do you people at home think? We made these confetti muffins and we learned a little bit about primary and secondary colors, right?
Right.
So this is how you make the Baketivity Confetti Muffins.
Yep.
So far, what's been your favorite cooking experiment that we've done?
I don't know. I really like the cookie cake that we made with the giant sprinkle inside. I really liked these muffins because it was a really easy recipe and it just took an hour to make.
That's right, so it's on a lot of them. So people, you need to subscribe so you can see all the cool cooking videos that you've done, right?
Right.
So make sure you subscribe and like this video and check out the Assistant's Corner too, right?
Right. Thanks for watching.